Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will learn how to implement batch Apex programming. Open your developer console. After that, create one Apex class. Here I am write Apex class name for processor 1. Class is successfully created. After that, here I am write implement database dot batchable. S object. Here I'm write database dot stateful. Okay, because here database dot stateful means by default batch process will execute in stateless mechanism. To maintain the state between the batches, we can use the database dot stateful. Here I am write public integer record equals to 0. I am firstly initialize the record equals to 0. After that, first method is start. Public database dot query locator start database dot batchable contains bc, and here return the result of query database dot get query locator. Here write query, select id and name from opportunity. After that, next method is execute. Public void execute database dot batchable contains bc. Here I am create list of opportunity object and name of list. Oops. Okay. Right here logic. I am right here iteration statement for opportunity list of name is oops, dot field name is lead source equals to web. After that, I'm right here DML statement update oops record count equals to record count dot size. After that, last method is public void finish database dot batchable contains bc. Here I am write system dot debug total records proceed and print this record count. Save this. Variable does not exit record count. System. Okay. Variable does not exit record count. Here write record count. Save this. Method does not exit or incorrect signature void size from the type line number 17 dot size. Save this. Okay. After that, open anonymous window and here create object of class processor process equals to new processor 1 id batch id equals to database dot execute batch and name of class object is here pass object of class of process and now execute. Okay, after that go to your salesforce account and search here apex jobs. Now we can see here batch apex class is status is completed and apex class name is of processor 1. After that go to app launcher and search here opportunities. Here select all opportunities. Here total records is 32 and these 32 records process in a one batch. Process in a one batch. In this way we can create batch apex programming. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.